Hello everyone, in this video I will show you 3 ways as how to fix 100% CPU usage in Windows 10. So the first method, go to the Windows search bar and type device manager. So now device manager will come, you need to click on that. Now out of all these options you need to find system devices, which will be at the bottom. So here it is, system devices, expand it. Okay, now you need to look for high precision event timer. Okay, high precision, so it will be like alphabetical, so you can find here high precision event timer. You need to right click on it and you need to click on disable device. Okay, now disabling the device will cause it to stop functioning. Click on yes here, just like this. Okay, so this one is finished. Now the second method, press Windows R from the keyboard and you will get the run option here. Then you need to type reg edit just like this and click on OK here. Now it will open up your registry. Click on yes, it will open up your registry. Now you need to go to the H key machine. Okay, let me first of all go at the top. Okay, you need to go to the H key machine, local machine, which is right here, expand it. Then you need to go to the system here, find system, which is at the bottom. Okay, now after system you need to go to the current control set, which is at third option. Then you need to go to the services here, expand the services. Then you need to find time broker SVC. Okay, so it is alphabetical, so we'll go down at the bottom. Time broker SVC, which is right here. Okay, now you'll find one of the options on the right hand side is start. Okay, you need to right click on this one, click on modify, then value data, it will be 3 or 1 or 2. Simply type in 4 here and click on OK. Okay, so that's just it. Then you need to restart your computer for it to take effect. Okay, now the third method is to go to the power options from the settings, or you can simply right click on your battery and click on power options. Okay, now you can see one of the options as selected plan and it is balance recommended. You can click on change plan settings. Okay, click on change advanced power settings. Now you can select here. If you click here, then you may get other options. Okay, just like high performance, one of the options should be high performance option. Okay, so right now I have only balanced one because I didn't create one. Okay, so if you have high performance, then you need to select high performance and click on apply and OK. So if it is high performance is not coming, then let me show you how you can create it. Okay, just go back and click on create a power plan from here. Click on high performance, name your plan. Okay, just like I'm naming high, and click on next here and click on create, just like this. Okay, so this is the high performance power plan. Now right now I'm going to do it on balanced. So just do it these 3 settings and it will fix your 100% CPU usage on Windows 10. It will also boost your FPS for games and it will do many other things. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.